Hey guys, Quakes here. Today I'm here with these mates. Today we are all becoming simps. I'm the person who has listened to most of Doja's music. These other two have only listened to her best song, which is really just Moo. Nothing else. That's her best song. Now we're not gonna go over songs. Shut up! Shut up! We're here to vote on what outfit she has worn is her best and her worst. So and we're gonna scale them from D tier to S tier. And I'm gonna show these niggas the real picture because I don't think they can see well with this.
Did you put the cat skin on D already?
Yeah. Yeah, I did it for you guys. That wasn't it, Chief. That wasn't it. We can all agree. We don't need to look at the music video. We know what that is. No bueno. All right, so this is the first outfit.
All right. Okay, Andre, what's your rank?
I'm thinking if I saw that, it was right in front of me, right.
Mhm.
I'll give it a C.
A C?
Yeah, C.
She keep that booty. She keep that plump, yeah.
Oh. What? I think that B. It could be an A. Definitely an A, you know.
An A.
Nah, it's a B plus. It's a B plus. It's a top ranked B.
All right, let me put a B plus. All right, next one is I didn't have a good name for it. I just called it strawberry.
I don't like the strawberry one.
Yeah, I don't really like that.
No,
D.
no, that's gonna be a C.
C for you guys. All right.
Okay, C.
C. I put a yeah. I'll just
C.
give it. I'll give it C. I'll give it a C. It wasn't the most exciting out of the music video, but yeah. Next one on the list is watermelon. That's the name on here.
Oh, is that the C that like popped up first?
Yeah, B. B plus.
B plus.
Yeah, you get a B plus.
Now this one is probably the most tame, in my opinion, out of all of Doja Cat's outfits ever.
Oh no, not like that. Oh no.
Yeah.
That's
It's not-
a whole A. That's an
And
A.
that's an
I ain't gonna
A?
lie.
So I say B, you said A, Tristan said C. I think we're just gonna even it out with B.
Yeah.
I'm surprised it got that high. Next outfit.
Put that down.
Oh,
Put that out my face.
Is it the mask that gets you?
Gulag.
Is it the
No,
mask?
It looks like a whole nut. Nope.
It's the mask. I knew it. I knew it'd be the mask. All right, this next one. I think this is gonna be our first S tier.
I'ma give it an A.
An A. An A. Andre.
Andre was in like three.
Come on, Mike, and you talking in the background. Yes, can I help you? Can I help you? Can I help you? Like, you just sitting in my room. Please leave. Leave.
All right, so Andre, did you see the video?
No.
I say an A. I give it an A.
Ready to hit that S mark yet?
All right,
Yeah.
you're not hearing. I put it as an S, but you know what? I'll be fine and put an A. An A plus?
Not S.
A plus. A plus. Is that cool?
It's not a.
It's not an S yet. All right. That's what you think. That's what you think. All right. Next one looks like an Ebony God, fairy godmother, like in Cinderella.
Bruh.
Hey.
Oh. Send it to the Gulag.
Send it to the Gulag.
That's something I would be like, alright, it's good if I was high and tripping.
C.
No, that don't count. That's not.
No. C.
Nah, I still say send it to the.
C.
I say
C.
I gotta be tripping. I
C.
gotta be
That is
tripping.
a
if I-
whole C.
A whole C. All right. I think I named this one just the 80s.
It's a B.
Does it need a music video?
It is a B.
Nah, I don't need.
No,
You don't need
it's
it?
just a B.
All right. This next one you're definitely gonna need a music video for. Hold up.
She gets a B plus.
She gets a
Looks
B
like
plus.
I wouldn't say B.
I could see that too. I would say B plus.
B plus.
I'm gonna give her B.
All right. I'm gonna show the video. I think I know what you're gonna give this one anyway.
What do you think you're gonna? We're gonna give.
Either a C or a Gulag. I'm not gonna lie.
Oh.
Oh.
Yeah. This.
Get to the Gulag.
Yeah, that's what I thought. I'm gonna put a C minus if that's cool with you guys.
All right.
But this is the next one. I don't know if you need a full body pick, but this is the next one. C?
C minus.
Yeah. See my.
Alright, this next one make you see if you're a furry or not, but you know, always with a shot. Never know.
I say B.
B?
Yeah,
B.
you gotta. Yeah.
B.
Yeah.
B.
It's a B.
Okay, this next one, probably in my top 5 favorite of her clothing.
Andre, you go first. Okay, you pick.
I mess with it.
Either C or B.
Yeah, I was gonna say I was gonna get like a
I
C.
C.
I'm gonna give it, just to even it out, I'm gonna give it a B plus. I mess with it.
C.
Okay.
C.
Okay, it's a B.
B. How about regular B? Regular B. Take it or leave it.
All right.
Fine.
Here you go.
I wouldn't say the Gulag.
Yeah, I would give. If you took away all the spikes and her
C
hair, was,
minus.
like, yeah, I'll give it a C.
I didn't like it. It's the hair for me. I don't like the hair, how it's portrayed.
Yeah, okay. What I said, I was like, if you take away the spikes and give her like a normal hairstyle,
I don't like it.
C minus.
I'd put it in C minus or Gulag.
yeah, give it.
You
Because
said.
the way that you put,
Like,
the
I
way
was
that
like,
you
C
put
minus.
it, like,
Yeah, nah. Alright, this next one. Oh, man, this is gonna be either great or terrible for you. Alright. This is the next one. I don't really have a good name for it.
Send that to the Gulag.
Send it to the Gulag already?
yeah, you put the Gulag. Yeah, you
Straight to the Gulag. Wow, okay.
childish me. It's
Oh, man, so you're gonna hate the rest of this. You're probably gonna hate the rest of this. This is the next one. This is the next one.
C minus.
You put this above this?
I said C minus. Like,
But-
it don't look that bad.
Hmm.
You would just see that, like,
yeah, C might no. I'll give it a C. It's not,
yeah, it's not bad. It is C.
Alright.
Like, it's not bad. Like, you would probably go out to the mall and.
This one, don't judge a book by its cover. This next one, don't judge a book by its cover.
that how long it lasted?
Send that to the Gulag. You want to look at it.
Nah.
I'm sorry.
You're gonna
I'm
have
sorry,
to. I'm
though.
sorry.
Just,
You're gonna have
you
to.
The outfit itself is alright, but just the makeup
Still
is
getting a Gulag.
very.
You're still getting a
Still
Gulag.
getting Gulag.
Gulag.
Yes.
I like common outfits.
You like common outfits.
Yeah.
Nothing's getting an S tier. I can just tell.
Oh, I said I was gonna give it like solid
B minus to
a
C.
B minus.
B minus.
That's to a C. A C.
You want me to make a
minus
B
is-
minus tier though?
B or C. It's B or C. Just B or C. Don't
Alright.
make another.
B.
B or C.
Next one. This one's gonna look a little more edgy. I don't know any good way to say this. It's gonna look a little more edgy.
Yeah, that's a Gulag.
How about no Gulag ghetto if any.
Yeah. I think
Yeah.
music
It
video.
looks-
Music video.
Yeah, it's not a phase, Mom. It's just it's who I am. You gotta
Going around the cheese balls.
What are you guys giving this?
C minus.
C minus. Yeah, C minus. I would.
I'd put it in C. I'm gonna even out with C. I'd probably put it a little
C,
higher.
C's alright. C's alright.
Yeah. Next one. I don't. Hold up. Let me.
What's with them eyebrows?
What is?
I don't know. I don't know.
Yeah, you get a Gulag.
You get a Gulag.
It's the female personification of diarrhea.
Oh my god.
So everyone to the Gulag.
Gulag.
I cannot fight the Gulag. To the Gulag you go. This is the next one. It's not a good shot, so I'm gonna show you the video.
I give it a B.
B.
I give it a B.
B?
A B plus.
B
It's not.
plus. You know what? Go ahead and put that on B plus. Go ahead.
B plus. All
Yeah,
right.
B plus.
All right.
Like, it
Here's the last one for this music video.
looks definitely like
Oh
a C.
no.
Next one.
You know what? I ain't even mad at that. I'm gonna give that an A.
You're gonna give that.
Yep.
An
That's
A.
what I was about to say. I was like,
All right.
I'm gonna give that
If we're taking off the hat while we're talking, I'm gonna give that a clean A. I'll give you that. This is the next one, and I feel guys might like it. This is the next one.
Okay. My anaconda don't. My Anna. What the? No! No!
Oh, animal abuse.
Gulag for animal abuse.
Don't say that.
Gulag for
would
animal
say
abuse.
Yeah,
Gulag-
yeah. Go ahead, put it down.
All right, we all know where this next one's going.
Ooh. An S. Automatic.
Yes.
Wait, what are you gonna do the cowgirl with? What are you gonna put the cowgirl as?
Oh, I'm gonna put the cowgirl as like an A plus.
A
Or
plus.
All right, A plus. Great choice, my man. This next one I'm showing is her newest song. Don't mind the cat girls. Don't mind them in the back. Focus on the best.
Now that you said it, I can't. Oh, now I can. I can now.
like the cats look like they going to do beat show. if she didn't have that thing on her head, I probably would have gave her like an A plus to an S, but like an A. I give her an A.
Hey.
All right,
She get an A.
I can respect that. I'm not gonna lie, this is probably the creepiest song on her set, cause it's the one with the gulag, the first
That is
gulag. I mean, the rest of the
Alright,
outfits aren't as bad. It's just that one outfit that was odd. All right, this
But
is
you-
the next one.
I'm gonna give her a B plus. I'm gonna give that
B
outfit.
plus, Andre.
Plus.
Next one.
I think a C minus to a gulag. I don't really like it.
Is it the hair?
It's
Is it
not.
is it too much
No.
hair?
I don't know.
I'm gonna give it a C minus. I'm gonna be strict with that.
Next song. Oh, hey, Lyco at
Troy.
www.youtube.com/Lyco. What you doing here?
What the heck is
Oh my God.
your stream right now? What is going on? And it's lagging. What is going on here? You know what? I overstayed my welcome.
Yep. Okay. I did the work for him. This one I called Motherboard.
Minus.
C minus.
You're
E
gonna,
minus.
you're gonna see. I say gulag.
Juicy, juicy.
Oh my God.
Okay.
Just tell she didn't spend much time on that outfit.
Next one. This is something you only do in
God tier.
OnlyFans.
God tier.
What?
God tier.
God
God
tier.
tier. No. Long hair. This is long hair. I like long hair. I'm sorry, buddy.
Yeah, I like long.
The long hair gets you?
I
Wow.
love long hair. I love long.
Don't get me wrong. Every dude should be a long haired dude, but out of all of them, this one?
natural long hair. I love it. You get an S. She gets
God.
All right. S
Oh, I
tier.
ain't
If I'm correct, this is Doja Cat's like first ever music video.
Don't give us the photo. That's a genie in a bottle.
Oh, it's like if the genie had a daughter, bro. Just
Throw it
no.
back, bro. Throw it back into the bottle. Throw
Bottom.
it back into that bottle. Okay, we don't need that. You really sent it. You really sent it. I'm not. I
Oh
can't
my
look,
God.
I can't look at my phone no more. You really.
All right, next one.
Mmm. B. B plus. I'm not giving that an A.
I gotta give it an A.
I'm not giving that an A.
Gotta give it an A.
Oh, yes. B plus.
All right. Next are the
Alright, yeah.
features. Oh God, the features. All right, so this is where the sadness comes in.
What
For these last 5, I don't have photos for.
Okay.
So we gotta squint, my guy.
No, you're gonna torture. That's the first one, by the way.
Oh.
He reminds me of the Chick-fil-A meme song guy. You know what I'm talking about?
I think that outfit may have to be.
S or A, my guy. Either of
I'm gonna give that an
3.
S. I'm gonna give it an S.
An S.
I actually, you know, Andre, you wanna give the last one like a more than an S? Give that more.
I got this. I got you. No fam, I got you.
Put
There
Boss
we
Lady
go.
on that.
That's what we're gonna call it.
Put Boss Lady on it. Put this man stay eating. Come on.
That's the next
man.
one, by the way. This is the next one.
That seems like a funeral outfit. I'm gonna give that.
And this is
A
marriage.
You know
minus.
what,
I wouldn't gulag it. Probably C.
Yeah, yeah. I'm
Yeah.
not gonna give it anything. I really don't know.
I guess we'll put it at C. I have yet to rank. I don't remember ranking these last 5, so I don't know. Yeah, we know where this is going. We know where this is going.
Oh my God. I'm not picking that one.
Tristan?
I don't know where this is going, so.
That's why I was like, I ain't picking it.
For the
You
hair
know where it's
alone.
going.
What the?
For the hair alone, I have to put in the gulag. For the hair alone.
Go to Gulag. Bring that to the Gulag. You ought to know who it reminds me of. Like, you ought to know who I pictured that. Like, who I picture wearing.
Who?
I feel like she would wear that.
Oh man, I don't wanna search this next song.
For this pussy top, English, Spanish, and French.
Yeah, BJ, I'm making a tier list. What you gonna do? Got anything to say, mate?
Bruh, yes, we have so
Got
much
anything to say,
content.
BJ? Why? Why we doing
We have
Got anything to say?
so much.
Why we doing this? That's the thing I got. For content and
And
because
then
I don't
walked
feel
in
like a
and did.
job.
Oh no, I didn't realize the hair. Oh,
You thought it was longer?
What?
I didn't realize the hair.
You didn't think
You
it was a
see
bob cut or?
I'm gonna give it an A. I'm gonna give it an A. 'Cause
Connect.
I still like the outfit. it's
Yeah,
just the
yeah.
hair.
Last one.
You can call me a furry. That's an S.
Nope, we're not talking to him again. Nope, we're not doing this again. We're not doing that again. We're not doing this again. All right. So what are you gonna give this, Tristan, before you go?
I said an A plus.
A plus.
I said an S.